I like to work on the math path skills that I have. I'm sure if you've looked on the website, you've seen it in my blogs and in different places on the website. We might be working on doubles. We might be working on 5 plus some more. We might be working on combinations of 10, a variety of skills such as that. And I like to use the frames, the counters, the bead racks, the dot pattern cards, a variety of dice to do those activities. If we're working on 5 plus some more, I like to work on it with the 10 frames, and I might flash the cards to the students. I might have them use their bead rack to show 5 and some more. And so students might roll a polyhedral die. They get a 6, and then they push 6 on the bead rack. Or we might be using a 10 frame, and if they rolled a 6, then they're putting 6 on the 10 frame. They might be doing it showing 5 and some more, or they might be doing it where they put 6 blue ones and 4 red ones if we are starting to work on combinations of 10. So they can do these activities with a variety of materials. If we are working on doubles, I might have the students who are working on small doubles, I might have them use a regular dot die and roll that. If they get a 4, they have to put 4 blue on the top, and then they have to double it with red on the bottom, so they're color coding it. And the orientation, I do it different ways so the kids see it in a variety of ways. So I might have them do it one day this way, and another day this way. And then I'll have them push 4 and 4 on the bead rack. And then I might have them do that on their fingers and show the finger pattern for that. So they're experiencing it in many different ways. So if we're working on larger doubles, we might do it on the 20 frame. And then we might use a polyhedral die so that we have the larger numbers. Maybe the child rolled a 7. So then they can put 7 on the top, and we color code it with 5 blue and 2 red, and then we double that down at the bottom. So they might even see that 10, the 5 and 5 within there, and then the 4 more, and then they push 7 and 7, and the color coding is helping them see those structures of that double also. So they can do that on that one. If we're working on 10 and some more, I might have the students, we could do it with a 20 frame, or we can do it with a double 10 frame. They can already have 10 on here. And then they can roll a polyhedral die to see how many more to add. Let me do a smaller one. Let's say 4. 10 and 4 more. And then have them do that on their bead rack. 10 and 4 more. So there's a variety of activities that you can do with the frames. So to remove the support of the 5 or the 10 frame, you could move to the domino frame so that the students have to think about what the combinations are without seeing it and seeing the structure there. And so if you were working on combinations of 10 and a student rolled a die, a polyhedral die, and they got a 3, then they would lay the 3 blue ones. They could think about it. They might know it. If they don't, they could push it on the bead rack to give them some support. They could count it however they want to. And then they could put the red ones over there to show the combination of 10. You can do doubles on the domino frame. So they roll the die and get 5. Put 5 blue ones, 5 red ones, and then they can push it on the bead rack and practice the combinations of 5, or combinations of 10, or doubles, or any of the math path structures.